Good morning everybody. This is Flora's Place Shop on Etsy. How you all doing? Well, Happy New Year to you all. Oh, you must be loving this. Well, this is my new share shirt, and you know how I love shares. And it's a share thing. You won't understand it. Well, I'll be jiggered. So this is what's in my Etsy store, and I'll bring this up close because my son is doing the video in the back, so hopefully he can get this in pretty good and you guys can all see it. What do you think of the shirt? Check it out, ladies. It's just not wreath makers. It's all kinds of stuff, but it is wreath making. And that's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna do a wreath today. It's an everyday wreath, which I'm out of in my shop. Now, if you go to my shop, I have no Christmas. I am cleaned out. So now I have to revamp my website. We're going to do an everyday wreath. We're going to do a Valentine's wreath, a couple, and we're going to do some beach wreaths. And I have to do an order for a spring wreath for Tuesday. I got 2 orders going out today, so we're really, really busy today. So we're going to try to get this all in the next 2 days. So I'm going to use my share cup. And I got a big surprise for you. I got a special guest today. Everybody's gonna go crazy. Okay, hold on. My special guest is the one, the only Cher. What do you think of this? I'm a big Cher fan. I'm a really big Cher fan, and one of my girlfriends picked this up for me. I've been to 5 of her concerts. And so, because she's so big right now, we've done some other totes, great for the beach. This is great for the beach. Don't you love it? And it's in my Etsy shop, ladies. And only somebody that loves Cher would understand these. But these are really nice bags. They're sewing real nice. Like, they're really nice. I'm going to Cuba in a month, and this is what I'll be taking to the beach. So I'm really, really happy with this. And my mug and my Cher, well, she's in my bedroom, and she overlooks my jewelry box. So nobody be sneaking anything out of my jewelry box, out of Flora's jewelry box. So yes. This is my special guest today. She's going to be watching me. Excuse me, just for 1 minute. And I haven't played it yet because my girlfriends are coming over. I got the new Cher album disc. Yep, I got it. DJ, won't you play that Christmas song? Yes, love her, love her, love her. There she is. So you can't go wrong with that gift. But that I'm just going to put out there. I'm going to move her out of the way. Do you want a coffee, honey? Well, you'll have to have it in your share cup. So we got to get to this wreath making. So I'll put her back here. You can enjoy watching her while I'm making. Anyway, I just want to bring to your attention. So the last video I did was showing you my house at Christmas. Well, I had my party and I didn't have a centerpiece. So I went downstairs and I threw this together in about 15 minutes. Everybody was asking me, oh, is that for sale? Is that for sale? I said, well, got a lot of picks in there and they're very costly. So I'll just turn that very slowly and just show you. Yeah. That's what I did for my centerpiece. Like I said, you know, if you got stuff downstairs or in your stash, you go get it out and you make something beautiful for your house, which you can do. Okay, so this isn't for sale. This will go back downstairs and I will use it on wreaths and centerpieces. So I'm gonna leave that all out there. Yeah, we're gonna make an everyday wreath, okay? So I'm gonna push that aside. I'll get to your comments and everything in a little bit, but I'm just gonna have, I have my share cup. Hey, Share, what do you think? Gonna make it, and I have a share wreath on Etsy in my Flora's Place shop, and I sell t-shirts and mugs, and now I'm trying to revamp, but I do have a share wreath, and it's got a real whip with rhinestones. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's burlesque. Oh, it's so beautiful. Okay, so let's get to this. So we're gonna move this out of the way for now. That for there, and we're gonna start in with our greens. Now, these are some of the greens I'm gonna be using. I had to reorder some boxwood, so I'm waiting for that to come in. So hopefully I've got enough to do one order and the beech wreath. But I like these ones because they're rubbery. They're rubbery, you know, and especially if you have this on your door or on your cottage. Now this is a 14-inch wreath I'm using, but I can make it much bigger. But I make these 14-inch because they're easier to ship. And not only that, but some people have smaller doors. The old age home has smaller doors, retirement homes. The cottages at the beach have, the RV trailers are smaller. So I always say to everybody, and I get feedback on this sometime, and I have it right up in my website, please measure your door. Because I had one lady comment, wasn't very kind, and I told her, please measure your door before I send it out. Well, she got upset, it wasn't big enough, and I said, I cannot come to your house, dear. You're in Texas. I can't measure it for you. Get a tape measure and measure. Check your measuring twice. You always do that. If you're cutting a piece of board in your house and you're making a shelf, check it twice before you order, because then it makes it uncomfortable, and you have to deal with them, and you send a beautiful wreath and they don't like it. Well, what don't you like about it? It's too small. Did you measure? No. Well, then don't order something if you don't know what size of your door. Like, hello. Okay, so I'm gonna go in here with this one. That's nice. And I'm gonna go back up in here with this one, because this is the last one I've got. I'm in the process of cleaning up all my picks downstairs. And I got another big, I ordered on Amazon, another big shelf to put all my greens on. Now don't let this white bother you, actually. I have to fix that. But yeah, so that's what your wreath is going to look like. And I'll step back and I'll put it on the door and I'll see, but I'm going to just stick to these greens. I think I have some more downstairs, but I'm just going to stick to these greens because this is an everyday wreath. And people like to put those on their doors. Some people right now might just put a green wreath on, you know, and just with one bow, just to get through, because Valentine's is going to be next, then it's Easter, and then it's spring, and that's every day we're going to try to get a couple of wreaths on here. So hopefully you guys like this. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, share, from Cher. So don't forget my lovely t-shirts. I'm going to put this right there. Oh, okay, so I had 2 more. Sorry. And I want to cut my ribbon so you see how I cut my ribbon. Sorry about that. So I like to cut them first longer, because if I make a mistake I can't go back. And I don't want that because ribbon costs too much. So I kind of do that now, and I might want to fool around with that after. And yeah, so that's about it. And that's an everyday wreath. And that's a recycled wreath because it was mine on my door and I had some other stuff. So yeah, so here's my t-shirts again. I hope you like them. Cher, you like them? How you doing over there, Cher? Come on, over here. Tell us all about my great wreath. Well, she's a little tongue-tied. She never usually is, but she is today. Enjoy the day, enjoy the New Year's, and give me a thumbs up, subscribe, share for me, please. Would be very nice. To all my Cher fans out there, hey, I think she's coming. I saw her on a Tonight Show. Is Jimmy Kimmel? Probably was Jimmy Kimmel. She likes Jimmy Kimmel. And yeah, she's coming back to concerts. And I'll have a ticket. And I'll let you know all about that real soon. So you guys have a lovely day. Be kind. You know, do something nice for somebody. Open the door when they've got groceries. And just be kind. Give a smile to somebody. People don't smile anymore. Well, this puts a smile on my face. You guys have a great day. We'll talk soon. Flora.